right, folks, here's the new aircraft right here. The maroon, white, and gold. Love the paint scheme on there. And Warner, you said this is a
Rotax 912 four-stroke engine.
Awesome, folks. So if you're into aviation,
It's 80 horsepower.
okay, 80 horsepower on that Jewel. Gonna power this aircraft. Can we take a look inside?
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah.
I open here.
Cool.
I hold.
Thank you, buddy. Folks, check out the decor here.
Yes.
Loving those seats.
Me, I just need a pillow. I cannot reach the pedals.
All right, folks. So a little bit different dash than the one we flew in last time. Different instrumentation. And there you go. And this is the
throttle.
throttle. And then there's
Two pedals.
two pedals.
Pedals for the brake and landing gear and ladder.
There you go, folks.
Elevator and aileron. No headsets. I also.
Oh wow.
Already.
Got new headsets going on. Cool. Awesome, folks. We are excited about taking this gym up. Beautiful. But we got to get this aircraft out of the way first, which is mechanics will have to handle that. Folks, aircraft is I don't want to say easily, but one man can move the aircraft around.
Okay, clear, bro. Yeah. RPS 1257, holding point runway 08, entering runway 08 for a VFR flight to Lubao. 1257, 5 miles southeast of your station for landing.
In that plane.
First landing, all right.
First landing.
First landing in a new aircraft, folks. We're safely on the ground here, Pradera Verde.
Look at him.
Das
ist timing.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing.
There's
Right?
our ride right there. Our ride just pulled in, folks. Shout out to Roger, man. Perfect timing.
Perfect timing.
Yeah. Perfect timing. Hey, buddy. All right.
My first landing.
First landing in a
My
new
first
plane.
landing in the plane.
Cool. Folks, thanks for joining us on this flight. Man, what a great flight. You know what, man? What is it with you Swiss? You guys are always on time, down to the second. Folks, you can't make this up. You cannot make this up. They left prior to us. We took off at 10:45 departure time, and we pulled in at the exact time. Leave it to the Swiss. My goodness. So I'll just give you a quick look around. Obviously, I've done a video here before. We're at the Pradera Verde Flying Club out here in Lubao. And this is the ultralight hangar. So if you want to come out and fly in the ultralights, their aircraft here is ready to go. And just a beautiful flight. I mean, flying in these things is it's like a little mini roller coaster ride, but it's awesome. You got to try it. I mean, what else can you say, folks? It's like going to a buffet. and eating great food and trying to describe it. How do you describe a taste? Delicious, right? Delicious. How do you describe flying in ultralights? Cool. Too cool. What else can you say?